Hi, it's Emma Finucane here. I'm really sorry I can't be there with you tonight. I have quite a lot of training commitments to do before I head off to Hong Kong in a couple of weeks' time for my next Nations Cup. But I'm really, really honoured to receive this award and to have won Carmarthenshire Sports Personality of the Year. I kind of can't believe that I've won next to amazing nominees. But yeah, I really, really appreciate the recognition. I grew up in Carmarthen when I started riding my bike when I was about 8 years old in Carmarthen Velodrome, actually. And that's where I grew up with my brother and sister. We were riding our bikes, and I just loved it. I love the sport. I think it's an amazing sport that anyone can get into. Like young kids from any age, any background, you can get into cycling, and I just loved it. And then, yeah, my career kind of, I didn't realise where I'd be today based off cycling. I don't think my family did either. And yeah, so I started riding when I was 8, started riding on the velodrome when I was 10, and then moved up to Manchester when I was about 16, and that's where my career kind of like quite quickly just progressed. And I'm really, really grateful for this opportunity. I can't believe my job is riding my bike. That's what I do for a living. So yeah, it's kind of crazy, and I couldn't, like, being from home, like being Welsh, and obviously I rode for the Commonwealth Games for Wales, which was a super like pinch me moment, and then went on to Worlds, and then last year becoming world champion was surreal. Like, I couldn't believe it in front of, I guess, a semi-home crowd from Glasgow. We're all British, but yeah, it's been such a whirlwind of a journey. And obviously this year being 2024 and trying to go, well, we'll see pending selection, but the Olympics has been such a huge dream of mine since I was about 10 years old. I've always dreamed of going to an Olympic Games, and yeah, so that's where my focus is on for this year. Obviously, we've got a few small goals to achieve first. So I go to Hong Kong, and then we basically got quite a big training block and obviously selection and things like that. So there's still a long way to go, but that's the journey I'm on right now, and I can't believe being a little girl at 8 years old in Carmarthen and where I am now at 21 years old, trying to qualify for the Olympics and go to the Olympics is surreal. And yeah, all the support. My family are there with you tonight, so they'll be receiving the award on my behalf. And yeah, they've supported me throughout my whole career, and I couldn't have done it without them, and I couldn't have done it without going to College Sugar. They really helped me. So I've got all my sports science, BTEC sports science qualifications, and yeah, school was really important, and my parents pushed for that internationally, and then moving up to Manchester, and yeah, I've just been cycling ever since. So yeah, I just want to say a really big thank you to everyone for all the support and the continued support.